paycheck after that, $1,500. Next paycheck after that, and the process continues. That way you save money much easier. And that is how you save money in 4 easy steps. Oops, you didn't see my pinky. Anyways, 4 easy steps.